Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use free video editor app on your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to go to your start menu and type over there video editor. And after that, click on this video editor app. Now we'll get a window like this. So what you have to do, so you need to click on this new video project, and after that you have to put any project name. In my case, I'm putting here Tricknology. After that, click on OK. So after created your project, you have to drag drop your videos over there. Okay, so open your folder, and in my case, I'm drag drop this Windows Server video over there. So just drag drop over there. And after that, as you can see, video is selected over there. So select that video and click on place in storyboard. Okay, and after that you will get a window like this. So if you want to crop your video, like if you want to cut your videos, so you can use this trim option like this. Okay, so if you want to add text over there, then you can use this text button. You have to click over there, and after that you can put any name over there. And from here, from the right side corner, you can choose font. Okay, and after that you can check your font over there. And if you want to select the motion, means transition, you can select any transition over there for your video. So you can also add a 3D effects. Okay, so you can add any 3D effects over there. Okay, and you can also use a filter for your videos. So after done, click on done button over there, and you will get a video over there. So you have to click on finish video to save your video. So now click on export, and after that select your location where you need to save your new video, and after that click on export. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.